Hey, welcome to Birthday Parties. Today we'll see how two blue jays will chase off two doves in the feeder. So here we have two doves kind of hanging out at the feeder. Notice when the blue jay just flew over, the one in the box stepped forward to protect. Alright, this one, the first dove is kind of jumpy, so just a flap will get him to leave. So blue jay is just pretending to drink some water. Very sneaky. Alright, here's the second jay. Notice the second jay just landed. He has a darker chest. So the dove is lifting its ring, trying to make himself bigger. But when he lowers it, the blue jay jumps on. Try to scare him off. But he's not... Oh, and he's walking back. The dove going forward, saying, "I'm not leaving." Okay, he's the gray one. The same one is going to try again. And he jumps on when the dove was eating. And this time the dove is chasing him back. Okay, the second jay with the black chest comes on. Nope, he grabs a quick one. Watch here. He picks up the peanut, but he drops it. And that's because... Did you see that? He dropped the peanut because this guy's coming back for an air attack. And the dove is chasing him off, but he's off balance. So he left. The dove, they were successful, these two guys. So you're gonna take one, and then they'll both be back. Actually, there'll be three of them. This is the one that did most of the attacking. Well, actually, these two look similar. Alright, he's got two in his mouth. He's got one. I was trying to get the third one. Look at the diamond. Oop, another one came. Watch the guy in the back. He dropped 2, 3 peanuts. There's a bowl back there. So he dropped it in there and kind of hold it, I guess. Anyway, fun stuff. Happy bird watching. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.